I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, tap your name at the top to open Apple ID, and make sure the iPad is signed into the account you want to change. Once done, check Wi-Fi or cellular so the device can communicate with Icloud. This prevents partial changes. Next, scroll to Icloud in the Apple ID page and tap it. This brings up iCloud services. This step is critical because turning off photos happens inside iCloud settings, not the Photos app, so stay on the Apple ID screen. In iCloud settings, tap Photos to access iCloud Photos controls. Toggle off iCloud Photos. When prompted, choose whether to download and keep originals or remove from iPad. Pick Download if you want local copies. This preserves your images on the iPad. Make sure you have enough storage before downloading because the device will fetch originals from iCloud. If you choose Remove, photos are removed from this iPad but remain in iCloud. Understand that difference so you don't lose media unintentionally. After you confirm the toggle is off, open Photos to verify it's no longer syncing. There should be no iCloud status icon. If images seem missing, first restart the iPad. That can refresh thumbnails and local storage. If problems persist, temporarily re-enable iCloud Photos to allow a brief sync or sign into iCloud. To confirm your library is intact. Finally, check Settings Photos for any download status messages. This helps pinpoint whether files are still transferring or not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.